Hey everybody, want to know how to get Monopoly Go free dice rolls? Well, I have found a working Monopoly Go free rolls glitch that I have been using for a few weeks now. It is working fine for me, so I decided to make a video tutorial of this method for you to be able to understand these amazing Monopoly Go free dice links. Now before we get started, you should first know your game username. Just like mine one is here, you can find yours on the same location. Now once you know your game username, just close the game and open your web browser. Now type this in your browser. Which will show you this portal here. Tap on it. Now you can find Monopoly Go by searching it in the website. Once you find it, tap on it. Now tap on Start Hack button that you see there. Further, you will see the Monopoly Go free dice generator. It will ask you your game username. Type it there. Select your device type, such as iOS or Android. Now, select the number of dice rolls you want. Once all of these information supplied, tap on Continue button and wait. You will see the Monopoly Go free rolls generation process. It may take some time. Be patient. Once the resources are generated, it will try to verify you as a real user of the game to get them added in your game account. If it did not verify automatically, we have to verify our user manually. It's nothing but a quick verification, as if we are real human or an automated bot. Just complete any one of the tasks you see to verify yourself as a human, and do it as per the instructions. Let me just complete it for myself. Let's just save time by speeding up this process. That's it. I was verified. Once you are done, you will be automatically verified. Now it's time to go back to the game and check if your Monopoly Go dice rolls added in your account or not. As you can see, my account is filled with the requested dice rolls for my Monopoly Go account. It worked again for me. This method is untapped right now, and this is the reason it is working right now. By the way, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like.